behind us we have a 2022 G550. Now what's very significant about this G-Wagon is two things. The first, it is finished in a beautiful shade of emerald green, but perhaps more importantly, it's fitted with our Valvetronic catback system. Now I could stand here and bore you with all the technical specifics of this system, but you guys are interested in that. You guys are interested in the sound. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the twin turbo 4-liter V8 on this G550. Now, how phenomenal does this thing look bombing down a back road? It really looks sensational. But the big thing about this vehicle is now with this proper sound characteristic, it really has that nice AMG sound to it. The 4-liter V8 is really a nice raw sounding engine. You get some pops and cracks with the new exhaust, and it's very enjoyable. Whether you're on a back roads, quiet on the highway, and you obviously have the valve capability, just like all of our systems. So check it out on Valvetronic.com and make your G-Wagon sound as good as it always should have.